Summer in the Inland Empire can be brutal, not just for people but for vehicles as well. As temperatures climb into the triple digits, your car's cooling system is forced to work much harder to keep the engine operating safely. And when small cooling system problems go unnoticed, extreme summer heat can quickly turn them into major breakdowns. Inland Empire cities like Perris, Riverside, and Moreno Valley regularly experience long periods of extreme summer temperatures. During hot weather, engines naturally run hotter, cooling systems work harder, and air conditioning places additional strain on the vehicle. Stop-and-go traffic, long commutes, and extended idling only increase the workload further. For older vehicles or systems with existing issues, summer heat often exposes problems that were already developing beneath the surface. Your cooling system is designed to regulate engine temperature by circulating coolant and removing excess heat. When any part of that process fails, engine temperatures can rise quickly. One of the most common causes is low coolant levels. Coolant absorbs heat from the engine, and when levels become too low because of leaks, worn hoses, or poor maintenance, the system may no longer cool effectively. Radiator problems are another common issue. If the radiator becomes clogged, damaged, or restricted, heat cannot dissipate properly, causing temperatures to rise. A failing thermostat may become stuck closed, preventing coolant from circulating through the engine correctly. Cooling fan problems are especially noticeable during traffic or low-speed driving because the radiator fan is responsible for pulling air through the cooling system when the vehicle isn't moving fast enough naturally. Water pump failure can also reduce coolant circulation throughout the engine. Leaks, grinding noises, or repeated overheating may point to a failing pump that can no longer regulate temperature properly. Overheating problems usually provide warning signs before major damage happens. A rising temperature gauge, steam from the hood, warning lights, coolant smells, reduced AC performance, or engine performance issues can all indicate that the cooling system is struggling. Ignoring these symptoms can allow temperatures to continue rising, increasing the risk of serious engine damage and much more expensive repairs. If your vehicle begins overheating, acting quickly is critical. Pull over safely as soon as possible, turn off the air conditioning, and allow the engine time to cool down. At the same time, avoid continuing to drive while overheating and never open the radiator cap immediately while the system is still hot. Driving an overheating vehicle can potentially lead to head gasket failure, warped engine components, and severe internal engine damage. Preventative maintenance is one of the best ways to reduce the risk of overheating during Inland Empire summers. Checking coolant levels regularly, inspecting hoses and belts, monitoring the temperature gauge, and flushing coolant when recommended can help identify problems early. Because summer heat exposes existing weaknesses quickly, even small maintenance issues should be addressed before temperatures reach their peak. For drivers throughout the Inland Empire, preparing the cooling system before summer arrives can help reduce stress, prevent costly repairs, and keep vehicles operating reliably during extreme heat. Call 951-943-2677 today to schedule a cooling system inspection and help prevent overheating before summer temperatures peak.